Hey pretties, welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry like if I sound like different or like iffy because I'm sick, and also your girl got her cycle, so we love that. But yeah, I was like thinking about it, I'm like, I think I need to clean my room, and I literally always have to clean my room on Saturdays. That's just like a thing. I don't know what happens, but stuff just starts to be unorganized on Saturday or the day before at least. So where's my computer? See, I don't even know where my computer's at. Anyways, hopefully we find it today. I'm not gonna really talk too much. I'm just gonna like show you guys me cleaning my room, you know, and all that jazz. You guys already got the room tour, so you guys already know how my room looks or how it is when it's clean. I'm not gonna talk like I said, so but you guys know what I'm doing. Like if I'm at my bed, you guys know obviously I'm fixing my bed, whatever. My mom will be washing my sheets and my decorated pillows, so like I won't film that bed part to the end because she's about to go to the laundromat soon. So yeah, but the first thing I'm gonna do is probably just take the covers off so she can have that, you know, and yeah, get that out of the way. So let's get started.
Chanel, cause she bad, bad, bad. Right, Kawasaki, no Atari, I'm gonna be with you for nothing. I can eat you like a...
Guys, I hope you guys enjoyed me cleaning my room, seeing the whole process and everything. I hope you guys liked this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe if you guys want more videos like this if I do it again. Cause I mostly do this like every Saturday, but I'm not gonna make one every Saturday, but I'm just telling you guys. So yeah, see you guys in the next video. I love you guys so much. Bye, pretties. See you guys later.